In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MACD indicator in expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your chart, you want to go to the very bottom, and as you can see here above the sell button, there's this little icon, and when you hover over it, it's going to say indicators. Just click on that, it's going to open up the indicators, and MACD indicator is over here, as you can see, so momentum trend following. Click on this one. And here you can change different metrics. So here you could go ahead and change the fast period, slow period, and the signal period. And then you could also go ahead and change different colors for different things in here. And whenever you're happy, you can just click on the confirm button and it's going to basically show up on your chart over here. So in case you were wondering what this actually does, now the MACD indicator is actually a technical analysis tool that shows the relationship between two exponential moving averages of a security's price. Okay, now what this does is it helps traders identify trend direction, momentum, and potential reversals. Okay, so that's pretty much what it does. And if you want to customize it here, you could click on this button again, go to the edit up top, and you can click on this pen button. You can customize it and adapt it however you want. Press confirm and it's going to apply, or you could just clear it by clicking this X button here and it's going to get removed from your chart. So that's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.